Have you ever felt stuck, unable to move forward in life despite your best efforts? Do you sometimes feel drained, overwhelmed, or disconnected from your true self? These feelings could be signs of energy blockages within your body. Energy blockages can affect our physical, emotional, and spiritual well-being, preventing us from living our lives to the fullest. In this video, we will explore the nature of energy blockages, how they occur, and most importantly, how to clear them to harness the hidden energy within us. By understanding and addressing these blockages, we can unlock our true potential and live a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Our bodies are composed of not just physical matter, but also an intricate energy system that influences our health and well-being. This energy system includes chakras, meridians, and the aura. Chakras are energy centers located along the spine, each corresponding to different aspects of our physical and emotional health. Meridians are pathways through which energy flows. Similar to veins and arteries in the circulatory system, the aura is an energy field that surrounds our body, reflecting our overall state of health. When our energy flows smoothly, we experience health, vitality, and emotional balance. However, when blockages occur, this flow is disrupted, leading to various physical and emotional issues. Understanding this system is the first step in recognizing and addressing energy blockages. Energy blockages can arise from various sources, including emotional trauma, negative thought patterns, and environmental factors. Emotional traumas, such as past hurts and unresolved conflicts, can create deep-seated blockages in our energy system. Negative thought patterns, including self-doubt and fear, can also disrupt the flow of energy. Environmental factors such as stress at work or negative relationships can further contribute to these blockages. Recognizing the symptoms of energy blockages is crucial. These symptoms can manifest in many ways, such as chronic fatigue, anxiety, depression, or physical ailments like headaches and digestive issues. By becoming aware of these signs, we can begin to address the underlying energy blockages and restore balance to our lives. Mindfulness and awareness are powerful tools in identifying and clearing energy blockages. By cultivating a practice of mindfulness, we become more attuned to our bodies and emotions, allowing us to detect blockages early. Mindfulness involves paying attention to the present moment without judgment, noticing how we feel physically, emotionally, and mentally. Simple mindfulness practices such as focused breathing or body scans can help increase our self-awareness. By regularly checking in with ourselves, we can identify areas where energy might be blocked and take steps to address these issues. This heightened awareness is the first step towards clearing energy blockages and maintaining a balanced energy flow. Breathwork is a powerful technique for clearing energy blockages and enhancing overall well-being. Our breath is intimately connected to our energy flow, and by consciously controlling our breathing, we can influence this flow. Different breathwork techniques can help release blockages, reduce stress, and increase vitality. One simple technique is deep diaphragmatic breathing, where we breathe deeply into our belly, allowing it to expand with each inhale and contract with each exhale. This type of breathing helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and energy flow. Another effective technique is alternate nostril breathing, which balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain and clears energy channels. Practicing these breathwork techniques regularly can help maintain a clear and balanced energy system, promoting overall health and well-being. Meditation is another powerful tool for clearing energy blockages. By calming the mind and focusing inward, we can access deeper levels of our energy system and address blockages at their source. Different types of meditation can be used for energy clearing, such as guided visualization and chakra meditation. Guided visualization involves imagining a peaceful place or scenario that promotes relaxation and healing. By visualizing energy flowing freely through our bodies, we can help release blockages and restore balance. Chakra meditation focuses on each of the 7 chakras, visualizing them as spinning wheels of light that are clear and balanced. A basic guided meditation for energy clearing might involve sitting comfortably, closing your eyes, and taking a few deep breaths. Then, imagine a bright light at the top of your head, slowly moving down through each chakra, clearing and balancing them as it goes. This simple practice can have profound effects on our energy system, promoting health and vitality. Affirmations are positive statements that can help reprogram our subconscious mind and influence our energy flow. By repeating affirmations regularly, we can replace negative thought patterns with positive ones, helping to clear energy blockages and promote overall well-being. Some powerful affirmations for clearing energy blockages include, "I am open to the flow of positive energy in my life." "I release all blockages and embrace a balanced, healthy energy system." "I am in harmony with the energy of the universe." Incorporating these affirmations into your daily routine can help reinforce positive energy flow and support the clearing of blockages. Whether you say them aloud, write them down, or think them silently, affirmations can be a powerful tool for maintaining a clear and balanced energy system. Physical movement is another effective way to clear energy blockages and promote overall well-being. Practices like yoga, tai chi, and qigong are specifically designed to enhance energy flow and maintain balance. These practices combine physical movements with breathwork and mindfulness, creating a holistic approach to energy health. Yoga involves a series of postures and movements that stretch and strengthen the body while promoting relaxation and energy flow. Tai Chi and Qigong are gentle martial arts that focus on slow, deliberate movements and breath control, enhancing the flow of energy throughout the body. Incorporating these practices into your daily routine can help clear energy blockages and promote overall health and vitality. Even simple exercises like walking or stretching can have a positive impact on your energy system. Diet and nutrition play a crucial role in maintaining a clear and balanced energy flow. The foods we eat can either support or hinder our energy system, so it's important to choose nourishing, high-vibrational foods. Fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide the nutrients our bodies need to function optimally and support energy flow. In addition to a balanced diet, certain herbs and supplements can also support energy health. Herbs like ginseng, ashwagandha, and turmeric have been used for centuries to enhance energy and vitality. Incorporating these into your diet can provide additional support for your energy system. Staying hydrated is also essential for maintaining energy flow. Water is a conductor of energy, and staying properly hydrated helps ensure that energy can flow freely throughout the body. Aim to drink plenty of water each day to support your overall health and well-being. Our external environment can have a significant impact on our energy flow. Creating a positive and supportive living space can help maintain a clear and balanced energy system. This involves removing clutter, creating a calm and peaceful atmosphere, and surrounding yourself with positive influences. Simple changes like decluttering your living space, using calming colors, and incorporating elements of nature can have a profound impact on your energy flow. Setting boundaries with negative influences and surrounding yourself with supportive, positive people can also help maintain a balanced energy system. By taking steps to create a positive energy environment, you can support your overall well-being and promote a clear and balanced energy flow. Maintaining a clear and balanced energy system requires regular upkeep. Incorporating daily or weekly energy maintenance practices can help prevent blockages and promote overall health and vitality. These practices can include mindfulness and breathwork exercises, meditation, physical movement, and positive affirmations. Creating a routine that includes these practices can help ensure that your energy system remains clear and balanced. Consistency and commitment to these practices are key to maintaining a healthy energy flow and unlocking your true potential. Clearing energy blockages is a powerful way to enhance your overall well-being and harness the hidden energy within you. By understanding your energy system, identifying common blockages, and incorporating practices like mindfulness, breathwork, meditation, and physical movement, you can maintain a clear and balanced energy flow. Empower yourself with the knowledge and tools you need to take charge of your energy health. With regular practice and commitment, you can unlock your true potential and live a more vibrant, fulfilling life. Remember, the power to clear energy blockages and harness your hidden energy lies within you. Take the first step today and start your journey towards a healthier, more balanced energy system.